Hi, I'm Jia. Today I'm making vegan bibimbap. I named it as 3-color bibimbap because I'm using, of course, 3 different vegetables that has all different colors. Let me start from introducing the ingredients for today. I have zucchini, carrot, bean sprout, a cup of cooked white rice, dried seaweed, and for seasoning, of course, on the top, this is gochujang, Korean chili paste. I'm going to start cutting my vegetables. I like to start from zucchini. I'm going to julienne all the vegetables that I have here. Zucchini is quite soft, so it's pretty easy to julienne. Okay, I'm done with zucchini. I'm going to put this aside on one side of the board. The next is carrot. Same. For the carrot, I recommend to slice diagonally and then thinly slice them. When you're making bibimbap, think about the texture. So the zucchini, when it's cooked, zucchini's texture and the carrot is pretty different, right? So when you have a bowl of bibimbap, I like to taste crunchy carrot, a little soft zucchini. So the balance of the texture and the color is very important. Okay, so these two is all prepared now. Heat up the pot. So put the bean sprout in hot water, 1 pinch of salt to it. And I would just blanch for about 1 minute because I like crunchy bean sprout. So it's already done. Before I continue stir frying the carrot and zucchini, slice 2 stalks of green onion. I like to use this for garnish and also for seasoning. Here. I have my blanched bean sprout here. Now I'm going to season it. So put 1 big pinch of sliced green onion, 1 pinch of salt, 1 pinch of toasted sesame seeds, and of course 2 drops of sesame oil. And then toss them well. So you don't have to heavily season them because for bibimbap, as you know, we're going to use gochujang, Korean chili paste at the end. So I have bean sprout here. Next, I'm going to stir fry the zucchini and the carrot. First, heat up the pan to medium-high heat. And I'm going to add some oil, about ½ teaspoon. Make sure the pan is heated. And then I'm going to add the carrot. 1 pinch of salt. I like to stir fry the vegetables separate because the cooking time of carrot and zucchini is different. Of course, you can't throw everything all at once, but doing that way, it doesn't come as good as I'm doing like this. So I recommend to stir fry separate. So in a medium-high heat for about 1 minute or so. Transfer to the plate. Again, add some oil to the pan. Make sure it's well coated. I'm adding zucchini to it. For zucchini, make sure they are fully cooked. Again, small pinch of salt. Okay, the zucchini looks done. Turn off the heat. Again, transfer to the plate. All the elements of bibimbap is prepared now here. So from now, I'm going to top my rice with all the ingredients. As I mentioned, I have cooked white rice here. I'm adding blanched and seasoned bean sprout. So zucchini, and next is carrot. See how colorful it is? And then on the top, I'm going to use my scissors and cut the dried seaweed. The bibimbap ingredient like vegetables, rice goes perfect with dry seaweed. In Korea we say kim. Drizzle a little bit of sesame oil and the sesame seeds on the top. Yum. And you can serve and eat with gochujang, Korean chili paste. So this is one of my favorite dish, and it's a very lovely dish to share with your friends as well. Let me show you how to eat bibimbap in a very delicious way. I recommend to add about quarter spoon or 1 teaspoon. Put it on the top of bibimbap like this. Just mix them all at once. So make sure the vegetables, the rice is all well mixed like this. So if you are looking for a perfect dish that you can share with your friends on weekend, on holidays lunch, I recommend bibimbap.